Hey everybody, I'm going to be announcing a winner. Recently I participated in a hop celebrating some fellow YouTubers' milestones. This hop was for Sin over at Stampin' Munchkins and for Sharon Lushka. It was actually something that we put together through some alumni members of Team Tiny. We all went together and surprised Sharon. Sharon wanted to do a celebration for Sin at Stampin' Munchkins, but then we ended up surprising Sharon. So it was a lot of fun. And these are the cards that I made for the hop. There were a lot of prizes that were given away, and I have a prize that I'm going to give away. So I have one of the cards that I made. That'll be part of the prize. I have 2 embossing folders. This one says thank you, and this one is polka dots. They're the slim embossing folders. With the trend now of slimline cards, I see that you could use something like this. I have this really cute stencil from Brutus Monroe. It's a gnome. Who doesn't love gnomes, right? So cute. I have some little shimmery flakes from Brutus Monroe. They're very lightweight and they're shiny. You can use them in your shaker cards. Okay, and then I have this stamp and die set. This is from Sizzix and Hero Arts. It has red rubber stamps and it has dies, and this is just gently used. Everything else is brand new. All right, so let's go ahead and find this YouTube winner. What I do is I go to my YouTube channel. I go to the actual here you hit share. This share button gives you a copied link to your YouTube video, and I'm going to copy the link to my and then we go to, let's see, not that one. We go to like Explorer or Chrome, whichever one you have installed on your computer. See if I can find mine here. How it is whenever you're looking for something, you can't find it. I think I have. Let me see here. I need my web browser. Web browser, Edge. Okay, so we're going to close this. All right. And there's a app. It's called Random Comment Picker YouTube. And there it is. It's the second one on the list there. Okay, just give it a second to connect. Random Comment Picker YouTube. Go ahead and open that. So I'm going to copy the web address for that video right here. In this box, I hit paste. Okay. Oh, there, paste. Okay, there it is. So that's the video link. Then I click filter duplicate users because we don't want people who have commented over and over again. We go get YouTube comments, and now it is calculating, and there were 89 comments right here, 89. Okay, then we go down to here and we click the start button and it will pick a winner. So look at all these names flying by. All the names, and the winner is Chow. Oh, Chow, you won my prize pack. She said, all pretty cards. Thank you, Tracy. So Chow, this will be coming your way. I know how to reach you. That's unusual that I have a winner that I actually, well, I know a lot of my subscribers, but I know Chow because of our Facebook group. And I will definitely get in touch with her and let her know that she's the winner. So thanks everybody for watching, and congratulations again to Sin and Sharon. Thanks everybody for participating. It was a great hop, and hope to see you all again real soon. Bye-bye.